In this video we're going to show you how to replace a PC board for a N069 Noritz tankless water heater. So here's the inside of the N069 Noritz. You can see Lewis, he's removing the protective plastic cover, and there is the PC board. Now the nice thing about these PC boards, or the units, is that every wire goes into the particular spot. You almost can't mess these things up as far as getting the wires in the wrong place. So you see now he's going to go ahead and remove the screws to take the board out. It's encased in a little steel shield, so he's going to remove that now. Okay, so we've got the screws out, and Lewis is going to start taking out all the wiring harnesses, or all the different wires. Okay, so there's the old PC board. Okay, so the first thing Lewis is going to do is he's going to take that steel protective casing and put it onto the new board. Okay, so Lewis is he's got the new protective cover on the new PC board. Now he's going to put all the connectors from the wiring harness back onto the PC board. And once again, I can't say it enough, all of these connectors fit to a particular part on the PC board, and it's really difficult to mess this up, or to get them on the wrong connector. Okay, so here's the new PC board installed. See, Lewis screwed it all back in, and yep, there's the old one. A couple of things that we wanted to share with you is there's this little black wire here that we were hunting for where it connects to, and you just have to remember it goes to the little red light here. The wire was hiding behind there. Also, you don't need to connect your remote control wire just yet, because you're going to do a data transfer from your old PC board to the new one. So you leave that one. And then also the other one that eludes everybody is this 100, because you can sometimes not see that little, can't see that little connector, but that's where that green wire goes. So all in all, everything should be connected. Oops, we missed one wire right here. As you can see, everything has a home. Alright, so the next step, following your instructions, is to do a data transfer. You plug in, you make sure that the unit is unplugged, and this unit is unplugged. Okay, can you just, I'm going to come over here and verify the unit is unplugged. Alright, so we've verified that it was unplugged. The instructions say, with the power turned off, remove the remote controller connection from connector number C89, which that's already done. Using the supplied transfer cable, connect the new and old boards by inserting the cable into the connection number CN89 of the board, of each board. Okay, so now, with that connected, we're going to turn the power back on. The data transfer will be completed in about 30 seconds. The unit will signal a successful transfer by rotating the fan and opening and closing the gas solenoid valve. So after confirming successful transfer, turn the power off. Okay, Lewis is plugged in the unit, and now we're just waiting for the transfer to take place. fan, click into the solenoid. So after confirming that the transfer was successful, turn the power off. The data transfer has been completed, so the next thing we want to do is set the circuit board for the correct type of gas. Ensure that we have the virtual dip switches set correctly. So what Lewis is going to do on this model, you can see here, it's got a remote control that goes on the inside, but Lewis and we brought our troubleshooting remote control. He's going to put that onto the remote control area right there. So within the first 10 minutes of connecting electrical power, before turning it on, hit the up or down button on the remote controller and hold until it goes into maintenance mode. There we go. You see that it blinks 99. Now, you're going to use the up and down button on the remote controller to change the maintenance rider number. Now, just so you know, the flow meter alarm set is the button that you use to change a dip switch from on to off. And you know that the dip switch is on or off by this priority lamp number. A priority lamp flashes, that means the dip switch is set to on. The priority lamp goes off, that means it's off. Okay, so the first one we're going to change is 27 from off to on. Okay, 27 is on, so we're good. So now, in order to get to the hidden maintenance rider that you're going to need to adjust these dip switch settings, you need to go to FE and FC and change them from off to on. FE. Check FE. FE is set to off. You need to put that to on. See, he just pressed the flow meter button and changed it to on. Now go to FC and change that from off to on. Okay, you see that that's on. So now we're going to be able to access our circuit board dip switch settings. So this model is a NO69M, and let me just verify. Yes, NO69M, and it is propane gas. Okay, so now we can, the maintenance riders can be accessed by hitting the up and down button on the remote controller, and then refer to the settings table for the correct rider setting. So the NO69M is an LPG model, so we want to go to A1 and make that off. That's off. A2 should be on. That's on. A4 should be off. That's off. A5 should be off. That's off. A6 should be off. That's off. And A9 should be on. Lewis turned that one on. Okay, so that's all of our dip switch settings for the N069 LPG. So we're going to go back to the instructions here, and when all of the maintenance riders have been set correctly, confirm the settings by pressing and holding both the up and down buttons on the remote controller until the controller emits a beeping noise. This will set your settings. Very good.